Continuing exercise 4C problems. That problem number 3. Problem number 3 is find the angle between the lines, joining the origin to the points of intersection, of the curve x square plus 2xy plus y square plus 2x plus 2y minus 5 equal to 0, and the line 3x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. Solution. See the solution. The figure will be like this. This is the x-axis, y-axis. This is the given curve. This is the lines joining the origin to the points of intersection. This is A, this is the B. So this is the angle between the lines, theta. So equation of the curve is x square plus 2xy plus y square plus 2x plus 2y minus 5 equal to 0. This is equation number 1. That is the curve equation. Equation of AB is 3x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. So it can be written as y minus 3x equal to 1. This is equation number 2, is nothing but AB line. Homogenizing equation 1 with the help of 2, then combined equation of OA and OB is, so one can be written as like this, with homogenizing with the help of 1, then one can be written as like this: x square plus 2xy plus y square plus 2x into 1 plus 2y into 1 minus 5 into 1 square. So x square plus 2xy plus y square plus 2x of 1 is nothing but 1y minus 3x from 2 plus 2y into y minus 3x minus 5 into y minus 3x whole square. Okay, just you can simplify this one. X square plus 2xy plus y square, so this is 2xy minus 6x square, plus this is 2y square minus 6xy, minus 5 of this is a minus b whole square, y square minus 2ab. 2ab is nothing but minus 6xy plus b square, this is a 9x square, sorry, this is the 9x square equal to 0. Okay, so x square minus 6x square is nothing but minus 5x square. Y minus 3x whole square is nothing but a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so x square minus 6x square minus 5x square minus 2xy plus 4xy, this is minus 6xy minus 2xy plus 3y square y square plus 3y square minus 5y square minus 30, minus into minus plus 30xy minus 45x square equal to 0. So minus 5x square minus 45 minus 50x square plus 30xy minus plus 28xy, 30xy minus 22xy plus 3y square minus 5y square minus 2y square equal to 0, that is 25. Okay, take the common 2, so then 25 minus 2, 25 take the common minus 2, then 25x square minus 14xy minus y square equal to 0. So angle between, therefore angle between OA and OB is theta, then therefore cos theta equal to modulus a plus b by root of a minus b whole square plus 4h square plus 4h square. Here what is A? A is 25, B is minus 1 and H is nothing but minus 7. Okay. 2h equal to minus 14, then h equal to minus 7. Therefore cos theta equal to modulus 25 plus 1 minus of minus 1 plus 1 by root of 25 minus of minus 1 plus 1, 25 plus 1 whole square plus 4 7 square, that equal to 26 modulus 26 by root of 26 whole square 576 plus 7 square. 7 square is nothing but 49. 49 4 jar 196. That equal to 26 by root of 576 plus 196, 772. That equal to 26 by 772 can be written as 4 into 193. So that equal to 26 by 2 root 193. So 2 13 ja. So 13 by root 193. Therefore cos theta equal to 13 by root 193. Therefore theta equal to cos inverse of 13 by root 193. This is the angle between lines OA and OB. OA and OB. Next, third bit, first problem. Find the condition for the chord Lx plus My equal to 1 of the circle x square plus y square equal to a square, whose center is the origin. Two subtended a right angle at the origin. Of course, the figure like this circle, this is the origin O, these are pair of lines, and this is the given line, and angle is 90 degrees at the origin. So this is the given line is nothing but Lx plus My equal to 1. Okay, see the solution. Equation of the curve. Equation of this curve is nothing but here circle. Of course, equation of the circle is x square plus y square equal to a square. This is the equation 1. Equation of this is the a, this is the b of equation of the AB is Lx plus My equal to 1. This is 2. Homogenizing. Next step is homogenizing equation 1 with the help of what? 2. Then combined equation of OA and OB is x square plus y square, that equal to a square into constant can be multiplied with 1 square. So what already they given one value, x square plus y square equal to a square of Lx plus My whole square. 1 square value, this is one value, this is, then 1 square is nothing but Lx plus My whole square, that equal to a square of L square x square, a plus b whole square, m square y square plus 2lm xy, multiply with a square L square x square, a square m square y square plus 2a square lm xy, that is, so take this term this side and take the common of x square, a square L square minus x minus 1 of x square a square L square minus 1 of x square plus this is a 2, okay, plus 2 a square lm xy. Next y square term, so a square m square minus 1 of y square equal to 0. So since what they given, OA is perpendicular to OB, so what is the perpendicular for the condition is nothing but coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square equal to 0. That is, here this is the coefficient of x square, a square L square minus 1 plus coefficient of y square is nothing but a square m square minus 1 equal to 0. So minus 1 is nothing but 2, so minus 2 is nothing but 2 here. So a square L square plus a square m square, that is nothing but a square of L square plus m square is the required condition. Next problem number 2 in this section. Find the condition for the lines joining the origin the origin to the points of intersection of the circle x square plus y square equal to a square, and the line lx plus my equal to 1 to coincide. So the figure like this. This is a circle, this is the origin, this is a given line, of course. The lines, pair of lines coincide, that means these two lines, there are two lines. See solution. Equation of the curve, here circle, is x square plus y square equal to a square. This is equation 1. Equation of the AB line is Lx plus My equal to 1. This is 2. Homogenizing 1 with the help of 2. Then combined equation. Then the combined equation of OA and OB is, see this is the OA and OB coincide, no, just that's why I have shown like this. Is x square plus y square equal to a square into 1 square, constant multiply with 1 square. Then x square plus y square equal to a square of Lx plus My whole square. Then x square plus y square equal to a square of L square x square plus m square y square plus 2lmxy. That is, take these terms to this side and take common x square and y square. A square L square minus 1 of x square, like above problem, like before problem, and this is 2a square lmxy. So 2a square lmxy. Next a square m square y square and minus y square, that is nothing but a square m square minus 1 of y square equal to 0. Since OA OB are coincide, what is the condition for coincide? What is the, that is h square equal to AB, perpendicular for a plus b equal to 0, that is nothing but coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square equal to 0. OA and OB are coincide, then H square equal to AB. What is H square? H is nothing but here. H is nothing but what? What is the value of H? What is the value of H? A square LM. So H square means what? A square H equal to A square LM. A equal to A square L square minus 1. B equal to, this is A square M square minus 1. So A to the power of 4 L square M square equal to A is nothing but A square L square minus 1 into B is nothing but A square L square minus 1. So multiply this 2. A square L square into A square L square is nothing but A to the power of 4 L to the power of 4. Sir, this is M square, sorry. A square M square minus 1. Okay. So A to the power of 4 L square M square. Next A square L square minus A square M square. Minus into minus plus 1. So A square L square. This is 8 to the power of 4 L square M square. These two are get cancelled. Then A square L square plus A square M square equal to 1. This take these two terms in this side. Then A square L square plus A square M square equal to 1. Then A square, take the common, A square of L square plus M square equal to 1. This is the required condition when OA OB are coincide. A square of L square plus M square equal to 1 is the condition. So by this session we completed pair of straight lines chapter. So dear students, you have to learn by watching these videos the chapter pair of straight lines. So thank you for watching.